Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly, and today our topic is how to share WooCommerce product reviews on Slack. So here my objective is that whenever I'm going to receive a new review for my product on WooCommerce store, that automatically I'm going to capture the detail of that review and I'm going to share that review details with my team on Slack. So for that I need to build a connection between WooCommerce and Slack. So for building this connection, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing software for automation and integration. In Pabbly Connect, I need to use the concept of trigger and action. In trigger application, I'm going to use WooCommerce. In action application, I'm going to use Slack. So how I'm going to build this connection? For that, let me take you to my computer screen. I hope all you can see my computer screen, and today we are going to see that how we can share WooCommerce product reviews on Slack. Imagine this, every time a customer leaves a review on your WooCommerce store, it gets instantly shared with your team on Slack. This not only keeps everyone in the loop, but also boosts team morale and helps you respond quickly to all the feedbacks. Sounds amazing, right? Well, the best part is you don't need any coding skills to set this up. Thanks to Pabbly Connect, that with the help of Pabbly Connect, you can set up this automation. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to integrate WooCommerce with Slack using Pabbly Connect. So here my objective is that whenever a customer will leave a new review or a feedback for a product in my WooCommerce store, then automatically I'm going to share that feedback with my team on Slack channel. So for building this automation and for using Pabbly Connect, I need to open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect, and this will take us to this landing page of Pabbly Connect. Here we have two options, sign in and sign up for free. If you don't have any account with Pabbly Connect, then you just have to click on this sign up for free button, and it will take only 2 minutes of your time and you will get 100 tasks free every month. Or if you already have an account, you can just sign in and you will get to see this page. So these are all the apps that Pabbly offers, and we are going to use Pabbly Connect here. For that, I need to click here on this Access Now button under Pabbly Connect, and it will direct us to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here this is the workflow section, and we can see all the workflows that we will create here. And this is the folder section. We can create new folder here and we can save any workflow in any particular folder that we want. Now here I want to create a new workflow. For that I need to click here on this create workflow button and this window will pop up. Here I need to name my workflow, so I'm going to name it as my objective, which is to share WooCommerce product reviews on Slack. And now I need to select the folder where I want to save my workflow. So I'm going to open this tab, and here I will find all the folders that I have created in my Pabbly Connect account. And here I'm going to use this particular folder of WooCommerce. So I'm going to select that and I need to click on create. And it will take us to this most important window of our workflow. Here we have two boxes, trigger and action. So these are the two main principles on which our workflow works on. And trigger says when this happens, action says do this. So trigger is going to be the first step that will get executed in our workflow, and action will just follow that. So we have to set up our trigger first, and here my trigger application is going to be WooCommerce. So I'm going to select WooCommerce here, and now I need to give a trigger event. So I'm going to open this tab, and new product review will be my trigger event. So I'm going to select this, and now I need to connect WooCommerce with Pabbly Connect. So for that I need to click on connect. I will click on add new connection. And for connecting WooCommerce with Pabbly Connect, I need the consumer key, consumer secret, and the website URL. So where I'm going to find all these details? For that, let me take you to my WordPress account where I have the plugin of WooCommerce. So here this is my WordPress account, and here I'm on my plugin of WooCommerce. So I'm going to go to settings, and now in settings I will go to advanced. And in advanced setting, I have this option of REST API. So I'm going to open that. And here I need to create a new key. So I'm going to click here on this add key button. And now for the keys, I have to first give a description. So my description will be new reviews. And I have to give my permission. So my permission will be of read and write. So I'm going to select that. And I need to click on generate API key. And here we can see I have created this consumer key and the consumer secret. So I'm going to copy all this and I'm going to paste that in Pabbly Connect. And now I need the website URL. So for the website URL, I have to take you to my WooCommerce store. And here this is my WooCommerce store. And in the store, I have my path URL. So I'm going to click here and I'm going to copy all this till WP3. So I'm going to copy this. I will go back to Pabbly Connect and it is going to be my website URL. So I'm going to paste that here. And now I need to click on save. And here I have connected WooCommerce with Pabbly Connect. Now what I need to do is I need to first select my product ID. So for that I need to open this tab, and here I can see all the products that I have in my WooCommerce store. And here I need to select the product for which I want to get all my reviews. So I'm going to select this product of polo t-shirt, and now I need to give my status. So I'm going to open this tab and I'm going to select the status of all. So I'm going to get the responses of all the reviews. So I have filled all the required details, and here we have this important note that says this trigger will check for new submissions every 8 hours. If you wish to reduce it, please contact support. And now I'm going to take you to my WooCommerce store. And in this I have this product of polo t-shirt. So I'm going to open this and I'm going to create a review for this particular t-shirt. So I'm going to go to reviews, and here I'm going to first give my ratings. So my rating will be 5, and here I'm going to give my review. So my review will be, this is the best polo t-shirt, and I'm going to click on submit. And I have successfully created this new review for my product on WooCommerce. Now let's go back to Pabbly Connect. And here what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on save and send test request button to get the latest review on my product. So I'm going to click here on this save and send test request button. And here we can see I have received the response. So here I have the status that is approved. I have my reviewer email, and here I have my review that is, this is the best polo t-shirt. I have the name of my reviewer. And also in this I have my rating that is 5 star. I have my product name that is polo t-shirt. I have my product ID, and I have the review ID. So here I have received all these details of my review. But if you don't receive this response instantly, then you don't have to worry, because this is a polling based response, and within the 8 hours you are going to receive this response. And if you want to reduce this polling time, then what you need to do is you need to contact support team of Pabbly. So here what is going to happen is that new customer will post new reviews on our WooCommerce store. Then automatically WooCommerce is going to process all those reviews, and it is going to send all those reviews within 8 hours to Pabbly Connect. So here I have received all this response. Now what I need to do is I need to use all these response, and I want to share this review of my product on Slack with my team. Now here in this review we can see I have some HTML tags present in my review. So what I need to do is I need to first set up my actions tab, and here in my action application I'm going to use data transformer. So I'm going to select that, and I need to give an action event. So I'm going to open this tab, and strip HTML tags will be my action event. So I'm going to select this, and I'm going to connect data transformer by Pabbly with Pabbly Connect. So I'll click here on connect. And first I need to give my encoded string. So I'm going to map the response that I have received as a review from my WooCommerce store, and I'm going to use mapping here. So what mapping is? Mapping is a technique through which I can retrieve the data from the previous tabs, and the data that is changing will get replaced with the new data in the real time. So for mapping I need to click here. I will open the response of WooCommerce, and here this is my review. So I'm going to map this. And in this encoded string, I'm going to remove all these HTML tags. So I'm going to click on save and send test request button. And here we can see I have received my data. So I have the status of success, and here I have this result. So in this result, I have my review without any HTML tag. So this is my result, and my review is, this is the best polo t-shirt. Now what I need to do is I need to share this review of my product with my team on Slack. So for that, I'm going to add my last actions tab. And here my action application is going to be Slack. So I'm going to select Slack here, and I need to give an action event. So I'm going to open this tab, and send channel message will be my action event. So I'm going to select this, and I'm going to connect Slack with Pabbly Connect. So I'll click here on connect. I will click on add new connection, and for connecting Slack I need to click on connect with Slack. And here I need to first give my token type. So my token type is either gonna be user or bot. So here my token type is going to be user, and I'm going to click on save. And now I need to scroll down, and I need to click on allow to give access to my account. And I have successfully connected Slack with Pabbly Connect. Now what I need to do is I need to first select my channel on which I want to send my message. So for the channel, let me take you to my Slack account. And here I'm going to use this particular channel of product feedbacks. So I'm going to go back to Pabbly Connect. And here for selecting my channel, I need to open this tab, and in this tab I will find all the channels that I have in my Slack account. So I'm going to search for my channel that is going to be product feedbacks. So I'm going to select that. And now I need to give the message that I want to send to my team for new reviews. So I'm going to type my message here, and my message will be, we have received a new review for our WooCommerce product and here are the details. So I'm going to add the detail like reviewer name, review, rating, product name and product ID. So I'm going to map all these details from my WooCommerce response. So I'm going to click here. I need to give a space and I'm going to open this response of WooCommerce. And first I need to give my reviewer name. So this is my reviewer name. So I'm going to map this. Similarly, I need to map my review. So I have encoded my review in my data transformer response. So I'm going to give a space. I'm going to open this response of data transformer by Pabbly. And here this is my result. So this is my review. So I'm going to map this. Now I'm going to map the rating. So I'm going to click here. I will give a space and I'm going to open the response of WooCommerce. And here this is my rating. So I'm going to map this. And now similarly, I'm going to map the product name and the product ID. So here I have mapped all the required details. And now what is going to happen is that as I'm going to receive a new review for my WooCommerce product, then automatically I'm going to receive new response. And all these details are going to get replaced with that response detail. And I'm going to receive new data in the real time. So here I have filled all the required details. Now I need to scroll down and I need to click on Save and Send Test Request button. And here we can see I have received the response. So this is a positive response and this means that I have sent this message automatically to my Slack channel. To check this, let me take you to my Slack channel. And here on Slack we can see I have sent this message. So the message is, we have received a new review for our WooCommerce product and here are the details. So I have the reviewer name, that is Sri Neeraj. I have the review, this is the best polo t-shirt. I have the rating, that is 5. I have my product name, that is polo t-shirt, and I have the product ID. So here in this message, we can see I have all the details of my new review that I have received for my WooCommerce product. And automatically by using all those details, I have sent this message and I have shared this message with my team on my Slack channel. So here my connection between WooCommerce and Slack is working successfully. And whenever I'm going to receive a new review for my product on WooCommerce store, then automatically I'm going to use all those review details to send a message with my review details on my Slack channel. So here my connection and my automation between WooCommerce and Slack is working successfully. Now let's go back to Pabbly Connect. And here I have created this connection between WooCommerce and Slack to share WooCommerce product reviews on Slack. So let's summarize what we did here. So first I have set up my trigger and my trigger application was WooCommerce and my trigger event was new product review. Then I have set up my actions tab and first I have used data transformer by Pabbly to strip down HTML tags from my review. And in the last I have used Slack to send the channel message. So this is how I have successfully created this workflow, and you can also create this workflow by following all the steps that I did in my workflow. And I'm also going to put the link of my workflow in the description so you can check it out from there, and thank you for watching this video. Not just these applications, you can automate and integrate a lot more applications like this by using Pabbly Connect. So if you want to reach out to us, then email us at support@pabbly.com. And if you have any queries, then you can write us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any issue with the pricing, then you can visit this link. And if you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.